Hi, I am Kiran Bindu and I am the Area Chair of Finance at GIBS Bangalore. We have a cohort of students in specialization that I teach. I teach them financial risk and I also teach them financial modeling. We are an exciting lot to teach, drawn from some of the best undergraduate schools from across the country. We have literally all 30 states represented here. We have a very exciting large cohort of first year students to whom I take specialization courses in financial management. In GIBS, finance is all about getting your hands dirty, grappling with real problems of companies, tackling case studies, assignments, and developing competencies that are invaluable for you when you go out into the real world as a PGDM. It involves spending time with professors, spending time with industry professionals, attending seminars and guest lectures, wherein you will develop a intuitive and ingrained understanding of vast areas of finance, starting from corporate finance to valuation to derivatives and risk management to financial markets and institutions. And at the end of 2 years, you have developed into a very robust professional ready to participate in the global economy that Bangalore hosts. I would see you all in the campus.